Have you ever paused to wonder about the greatest mystery of all? It's not just about how life began or how the universe works, but something even deeper. Why is there something rather than nothing at all? This question may seem abstract, but it touches the heart of what it means to exist. If we look at it calmly, we might expect there to be nothing, no space, no stars, no thoughts. Yet here we are, surrounded by a vast cosmos full of wonders and mysteries. What if the very fact that anything exists at all holds a secret that challenges everything we know? Today, we'll take a gentle journey together to explore this profound question, unlocking ideas from science and philosophy that may inspire you to see the universe and your place in it with fresh eyes. Before we begin, I want to invite you kindly to subscribe to the channel if you want to keep receiving meaningful reflections and insights that nourish your mind and soul. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Just a single word that speaks to you is enough. And please like and share this video with those you care about. And stay with me until the very end, because there's a special message that I believe will touch your heart deeply. Have you ever stopped to think about the most profound mystery we face? It's the question of why anything exists at all, rather than nothing. This might sound like a puzzle meant only for philosophers or scientists, but it is a question that touches every one of us, no matter our age or background. If we think carefully, we realize that logically there should be nothing. No space, no stars, no life, no thoughts. But instead, here we are, living in a universe that is vast, rich, and full of wonders. This mystery invites us to wonder, how did it all begin? Why is there something instead of emptiness? The truth is, even the greatest minds have struggled to answer this. Throughout history, people have tried to understand whether the universe exists by chance, or if there is a deeper reason behind it all. Some believe the universe came into being from pure chance, an accident in the vastness of nothingness. Others feel there is a purpose, that the universe is finely tuned in such a way that life could arise. They see in this a hint of something greater, perhaps a guiding hand or intelligence behind the scenes. This question is not just about science or philosophy. It influences how we see ourselves and our place in the world. If the universe exists because it must, because of the laws of nature, then maybe we are part of a grand design written in the fabric of reality. But if it all happened by chance, then our existence is a remarkable stroke of luck. Either way, understanding this mystery can bring a new appreciation for the gift of life. As we begin this exploration, remember that these questions do not have simple answers, but they open doors to wonder and curiosity. And as we continue, you may find your own thoughts and feelings about the universe growing richer and deeper. After considering the deep mystery of why something exists instead of nothing, we come to a surprising discovery from modern science. When we think of nothing, we might imagine an empty space, completely blank, quiet, and still. But science shows us that even the emptiest places in the universe are not truly empty. This idea comes from quantum physics, a field that studies the tiniest parts of our world. According to quantum physics, what we call empty space, or the vacuum, is actually buzzing with invisible activity. Tiny particles, called virtual particles, pop into existence and disappear again in the blink of an eye. It's as if the universe's empty spaces are filled with a restless energy, always moving and changing, even when we cannot see it. This challenges the common idea of nothingness as absolute emptiness. Instead, it suggests that nothing might be more like a bubbling sea of possibilities, where something can arise from what seems to be empty. Some scientists think that our entire universe might have started from one of these sudden bursts of energy, a small fluctuation in this restless vacuum that grew into everything we see around us. Imagine trying to turn off a lamp, But no matter how many times you press the switch, a faint glow always remains. That faint light is like the quantum vacuum, never fully dark, never fully empty. This mysterious energy could be the key to understanding why there is something instead of nothing. This view does not rely on a creator or outside force. It suggests that existence might come naturally from the laws of physics themselves. But even with this idea, many questions remain. Why do these quantum fluctuations happen? What rules guide them? And how does this tiny, invisible dance connect to the vast cosmos we live in? As we continue our journey, we will explore these questions more deeply. The universe may be stranger and more beautiful than we ever imagined, filled with hidden forces that shape reality in ways we are only beginning to understand. Now that we've explored the idea of the restless quantum vacuum, let's turn to one of the most important moments in the story of our universe, the Big Bang. This event is thought to be the moment when everything, space, time, matter, and energy began. But the Big Bang was not a simple explosion. Instead, it was a rapid expansion of space itself. Imagine a tiny balloon suddenly inflating, growing bigger and bigger in an instant. This dramatic growth is called cosmic inflation. During this brief but powerful phase, the universe expanded faster than the speed of light, smoothing out irregularities and shaping the cosmos we see today. This rapid expansion set the stage for everything that followed, the formation of galaxies, stars, and planets. But the story doesn't end there. Scientists have discovered that the universe's physical laws and constants, the forces of gravity, the strength of light, and many others, are finely tuned. Even a small change in any of these values could have prevented stars from forming or life from existing. This delicate balance is often called the fine-tuning of the universe. It feels almost like a cosmic recipe, where each ingredient must be measured just right to create the universe as we know it. Some people see this as a hint that there is purpose or design behind it all, while others believe it might be the result of chance or yet unknown natural laws. Whatever the reason, the fine-tuning challenges us to consider how rare and precious our existence truly is. It invites wonder and humility as we realize how everything fits together perfectly to support life. As we reflect on this, the universe begins to feel less like a cold, empty place and more like a carefully woven tapestry, one that holds mysteries waiting for us to uncover. Having seen the remarkable fine-tuning of our universe, we are led to an astonishing idea. What if our universe is not alone? What if there are countless other universes, each with its own rules and realities? This is the bold concept known as the multiverse. According to some scientific theories, our universe could be just one bubble among many in a vast cosmic ocean. Each of these bubbles might have different laws of physics, different constants, and different possibilities. In some universes, stars and planets might never form. In others, life as we know it could be impossible. This idea helps explain why our universe seems so perfectly balanced for life. It could be that out of many universes, we just happen to live in the one where conditions are right. It's like winning a cosmic lottery, where our existence is the result of chance within an enormous collection of realities. While the multiverse idea is exciting and offers new ways to think about existence, it also raises challenging questions. If these other universes exist, can we ever know about them? Some scientists suggest there might be subtle traces of other universes interacting with ours, but these signals are very hard to detect. This uncertainty can feel both thrilling and unsettling. It invites us to imagine a reality far greater and more complex than we can see, a vast landscape of possibilities stretching beyond our own universe. Whether or not the multiverse exists, the idea reminds us how much there is still to discover. It encourages humility and wonder, reminding us that our story is part of something potentially much bigger. As we continue, we'll explore other fascinating ideas about the universe and our place in it, moving closer to understanding the deep mystery of why there is something rather than nothing. As we explore further, a surprising idea emerges. What if the universe is not just physical, but also a grand mathematical structure? Some scientists and mathematicians believe that everything we see, the stars, the planets, even ourselves, can be understood as patterns and relationships described by mathematics. From the orbits of planets to the behavior of tiny particles, the universe follows precise mathematical rules. These rules are so exact that many discoveries in physics began as mathematical predictions long before we observed them. This suggests that math might be the true language of the cosmos, the foundation upon which everything is built. If the universe is a mathematical structure unfolding in time, then what is time itself? For us, time feels like a steady flow, moving from past to future. But some theories propose that time may be more flexible and complex than it seems. In certain extreme conditions, time might bend, loop, or even fold back on itself. Imagine a world where the future can affect the past, where cause and effect blur, and events repeat in endless cycles. These ideas, once thought to belong only to science fiction, are being seriously studied by physicists. They raise profound questions about the nature of existence. Does the universe have a true beginning or end, or is it caught in a timeless loop? These concepts challenge our everyday understanding of reality. They invite us to open our minds to possibilities beyond what we can see and feel, suggesting that time and existence might be far more mysterious and beautiful than we imagined. As we prepare to consider the meaning and purpose behind it all, it's important to remember that science and philosophy together help us explore these deep questions, enriching our appreciation for the universe and our place within it. After exploring the mysteries of existence, the universe's nature, and the wonders of time, we arrive at a question that has touched humanity for millennia. Is there a purpose behind it all? Is there a creator or guiding intelligence, or does the universe simply exist on its own? Some see the incredible order and fine-tuning of the cosmos as evidence of a thoughtful creator, a guiding mind behind the universe's laws and life itself. Great thinkers like Newton and Einstein felt that the harmony they observed pointed to something beyond chance. For others, the universe's ability to generate itself through natural laws means no outside creator is needed. Instead, the cosmos might be eternal or cyclic, existing without a true beginning or end. This debate leads us to the idea of causality. If everything must have a cause, what caused the creator? Some suggest the creator exists outside of time and space, beyond our understanding. Others think the universe itself could be its own cause, endlessly creating and renewing itself. Whatever your beliefs, one thing is clear: the search for meaning is a deeply human journey. Whether we find answers in science, philosophy, spirituality, or a blend of all, the quest itself gives life its richness. More importantly, this mystery invites each of us to create our own purpose. If the universe doesn't hand us a clear reason for being, then we have the beautiful freedom to find meaning through love, connection, curiosity, and the way we live each day. You, here and now, are part of this great cosmic story. Your presence matters. The chance to ask these questions, to wonder and explore, is itself a gift. So what will you do with this precious opportunity? Will you simply go through the motions, or will you embrace the adventure of discovery and meaning? Thank you for joining this journey into one of life's greatest mysteries. If this reflection touched your heart, please remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a word or thought in the comments, and share this video with someone special. And always keep your mind and heart open. The universe has many more wonders waiting for you.